what we will do? Then we build a CNC machine. And yeah, one more thing. Then one day I was watching TV and there was a guy who was telling that he's invented a charger for the battery. I used to see these news, sort of, if you call them news, that these guys invented this guys invented that. So I said to her, why I have made something better, why I'm not here? I think so that was my biggest mistake of my life. So because, and then the media followed that thing. And when the media stucks to you, you cannot go away with it. It's a very bad thing. Then then we build a CNC machine. What CNC machine basically is a cutting machine. So if you have a craft project, if you want to make anything, what you do, this machine just give you, you give him a file, a computer file, and it will make the cuttings for you. So let me see if we can forward it up, because it's quite boring. So you can check it on my YouTube also. So this is the software. This I was making a plane. So these are all the parts for the plane. So then it cut, etc., etc. And so after this, again media. You know how it works. So again they got in news, etc. Now what happens? The next step for me was 3D printing. So what 3D printing is? Let me explain you. 3D printing is a process by which you can, if you have a 3D model on computer, you can make it in real life. So let's have a video about it, what it is. So this nut and bolt is actually made by the machine, completely automatically. I don't have to do anything. So this is the software for that machine. So basically what has happened, there is a, you can say it's like a chakli. You know chakli, anybody? Or noodles at least. Okay. So it actually spreads a noodle of plastic. Okay. And then makes a drawing with plastic. When that drawing is very cool down, then it draws on top of other. So that is the plastic melting, and it's drawing, basically. Drawing with plastic. After that layer is solid, then next layer, then next layer, then next layer. And it just goes on and on and on until your object is finished. So why, and I did this 3 years ago, why I stuck to this? I haven't found anything better to do than this. That was the only reason that I am in this 3D printing world. So I will tell you a story. Anybody seen this film? Thank God. So this is the Hellboy, Ron Perlman, and my favorite director, Guillermo del Toro. So I like props little bit, like the Iron Man helmet or whatever. These things which made for the movies, real solid objects, and they did a lot of effort. You can see that gun. That gun is called a Samaritan. So you can see it in clear view also. So I like this gun. And I said I need to purchase it. It's maybe some, because these replicas are available, not the original one, because the original one sells for like thousands of dollars. And I was not that far away. So if I want to buy a fake one also, which is not made by the real company, it was like 999 on Amazon. So I decided to make my own. So I downloaded files for this gun from internet and gave it to 3D printer. And it made this. And this is the gun. So so this is after painted. So it actually opens. Wow. It got barrels, bullets, everything. This is my favorite piece I have. So what basically this machine does is makes your imagination reality. Wow. That is what you want in life. So one more story about it is, we have a Ganpati. We will have Ganpati this year also. So we used to have a platform, but the one leg was broken of that platform. So what I did, I took the measurements of the other leg, designed in the computer, and printed my own other leg. And that was done in literally 3 hours. So you can make anything. If you have a new mobile phone, you can make a case for that. If you have some science project, whatever you want, you can make it. this machine supports whatever means architecture people can use, artists, because many artists, digital artists are there, they make their objects, but they are stuck on the screen of the computer. So this machine get it outside. So this is just a time lapse of different things I have built. So so this is the cube. This is my latest machine. Uh, right now, so when we founded KCBot with Mishkin Ingale, unfortunately he's not here right now, he's in Bangalore. Uh, so these are the some objects which are getting made. So this is all fast motion, it took hours. So this is Walter White's head from Breaking Bad. Anybody know that series? Maybe a little bit young for that. So this is the Walter White's head. So, and these all files are from the internet, just downloaded and just given to the machine, it prints it. So it's like, no, mother used to say, I need a gift for my boss, so I make pen stand for that. So I can put name also of the person there. So you can make a personalized gift out of it. The thing is, it is all dependent on the imagination. This is the Statue of Liberty. Remind, this is one of my first machines, so it's not that prime quality right now. This is the boat and sail. So this is some for the architecture people. If you want to make a model, models to show what is happening, what their final structure will look like. Yeah, this is a little bit screwed up. This is a coffee cup sleeve thingamajig. So whatever, you can go website. It's very in bad condition right now. It's in right now in changes. So this was my first machine. So how to make the first machine? The girl here told about RipRap. So what RipRap project is what happened about say 5 to 6 years ago. The patents for these kind of machines was over, because what happened if you don't finish, like stop the patent process, like if like 25 years are gone with when the innovation happen, then other people can't work on it unless the patent is lapsed. So when that expired, then a professor in UK said that we need to make a machine that can make itself. So that's why the name, replicated rapid prototyping. Prototyping means making like one piece, not the mass manufacturing. So whatever black pieces you see in this machine are all made by a similar machine. So a machine can make another machine, which can make another machine, and it can goes on and on. That's why the inventor of this says that you cannot sell a 3D printer, because someone will rent it and make another 3D printer for himself. So after, like, this is, I would say, my first generation. This is a grandfather of my all machines, because after these machines, the next machines parts were made. So again, media. Then, but I'm proud of this one, Times of India, and that helped me a lot. Media is whatever these articles came. That is, I actually don't read also these. What important is I get to meet impressive people. That is the most, your contacts increase, people take you seriously. That is the only main thing required from this. And another important thing it does is just says to you are doing something right. You are not completely wasteful. One mistake the girl told, I'm very sorry to point it out, that I am not finished my education yet. I'm still a fourth year engineering guy, and I don't know when I will pass out. So don't take that from me. The reason to do that is I am just bad at studying. I cannot by heart, I cannot remember things, so that is another matter. So this is another machine which can be folded. So you can carry it around anywhere. So it's the same machine but just different design.
Karan,
Yes?
your session is getting live webinar to engineering colleges and you're saying this. It's amazing.
They will agree with me, I think so. Okay, engineering guys, I'm telling you, you know how boring it is to learn things. So get creative with your final year project and don't buy them from outside.
Going live webinar to our colleges, and right now anybody can watch it. And I think that's why it's an important message for everyone making.
So this is against the current generation. So this is the a 3D model how it looks. This is on the monitor, just screen cap, and this is how it in reality looks. This is the result of my latest generation of the machines. Uh, yeah, I have this print to show you. Then again, this is one of my favorite. This is so this is that object. You can have a look at it. It's a nice piece. It is plastic. So what generally the plastic we use is called PLA, polylactic acid. So it's a plastic derived from corn. So it is environmentally friendly. So it is not an oil-based plastic. The fun fact, you can say it's a coincidence that this PLA plastic when it was invented, it's completely useless plastic because anything you put little bit hot water inside, it will just melt out. But what happened, it was actually the most perfect plastic to use in 3D printing. So that was an interesting thing. So this is the 3D model of, the print of that lady. Anybody Counter-Strike players? Okay, so this is the from CSGO called Karambit, and this is my Karambit. Sorry. So okay, this is the lady model. It's quite beautiful actually to look at in person. And this is the that weapon. Actually, my friend who actually participate in the international tournaments is like begging me to give this to him. Okay, and the thing is, when this whole innovation started, this whole I would say revolution of 3D printing. If you 3D printing is now the big buzzword like the internet was few years ago. So there is like website called Thingiverse. It's like a you can say it's like a Flickr or Picasa for 3D models. So people upload their 3D models on this website. You can download them from free and use them. So again, that model actually made some light bulb model.